And we can see this. This is the great Greuze, right? Greuze had clearly a very good understanding of the proportion, the anatomy, the structure of the head, but he was not really showing them off, right? But if we look at this drawing, which is quite beautiful, we see all these details that are clearly show a very good understanding of the anatomy. For example, this point in here is this point in here, right? That's called nasion, right? Past this point in here, this is a bump, right? That bump in here is corresponding to this bump in here where the nasal bone connects with the cartilage of the nose. This line here is this line here, which is called frontal maxillary eminence. This line corner here is this corner here, and so on and so forth. So